Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Steam error code 105 on Windows PC. Whenever you try to launch a Steam app and you receive an error code 105 as shown on screen, error code 105, unable to connect to server may be offline or you may not be connected to the internet. Now we will see how to fix this error code. Go to your Windows PC and right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side, go to System. Thereafter, go to right side and here you will find the option Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot. Choose Other Troubleshooters and Run Network and Internet Troubleshooter. Click on Run option and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It may be a possibility to network and internet problem of your system and a Steam error code 105 appeared, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fix. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute these 4 to 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. The first one is ipconfig flush DNS, ipconfig register DNS, ipconfig release DNS, ipconfig renew, and winsock reset. Apply all these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and follow on screen instruction to execute these commands. These all are network related command and you must apply in your system, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and check your server status. So on the same command prompt windows, execute these 2 commands. First, ping steampowered.com. Ping space steampowered.com. Execute this command in command prompt windows and press enter. And wait for some time. If system receive some figures change, then your Steam server is working properly. The another one command is ping store.steampowered.com. Same, execute in command prompt windows and press enter and wait. Its ping status, it will visible here. Wait for some times, it will appear soon. If it appears, then if you receive reply from the server, then your Steam app is working properly. Otherwise, if you don't receive any reply, then your server issue. Now check whether your Steam error code 105 resolved or not. It may be resolved and your Steam app will now working properly. Check. Go to store, wait for some times, and you can see your Steam app is working properly. If you are facing your ping command don't receive any reply, then one more fixes you will have to apply. Turn off antivirus Windows Defender firewall temporarily. Open control panel in your system and here go to Windows Defender firewall. Open it. From the left side, go to turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Click on it and turn off Windows Defender firewall for both the networks, private as well as public networks. And your problem, your Steam error code 105 definitely be resolved. After that, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender